Creating image box. So in today's lesson we are going to create an image box just to show what the image is of the news and to better demonstrate what I'm talking about. We firstly need to download a image, right? So I have this morgifile.com website where you can browse for a free photos right here. You can use them however you want. Of course you need to read the license. So we got this tiger or whatever he is. You can see you are allowed to copy, distribute, transmit the work and adapt to the work. Attribution is not required. You are prohibited by using this work in a standalone manner. So you're free to use this. So I have already downloaded the simple image like this one from morgifile.com. But the first thing what we need to do is to create our boundaries, our containers of the image. So we grab our rectangle tool. Let's do this and drag it over like this. We are going to change the sizing probably in the furthermore, but now just there it is. Make this black, and now we need our image. So grab the image, place it here, Ctrl+T to scale it down. We're probably going to make this one like this. Right, enter. Now we need to clip it to this rectangle, and there we have it, our image. So we probably need to rename our layers. Rename this one to image. Place image here, so it's like a holder of the image. Duplicate them and make like this. Alright, I think the sizing is okay. The gap between those two top news is alright. And in the next lesson I'm going to show you how to create title on top of these images and how to create a black overlay to better show off the title.